Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to continue work on the roof of a 1964 Comet Caliente. And if you haven't already guessed, things didn't quite work out as planned. Ah, damn it. I'm afraid of that. So, using various techniques, a couple which did not work, I eventually was able to get the shape I wanted in the roof. It more or less looks like a roof again, but there's still some spots that wasn't able to get tight. But I have a plan. I was told that the roof from the factory doesn't really need the bracing. However, I'm going to have to build some bracing for this. Now, I cut the original one out, and using it as a guide, I was able to come up with a pretty decent shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out and use it as something to bend to. I do love my rotisserie. So I'm going to be pushing down quite a bit on this, it looks like. But I think it's all going to work out. Yeah, that is really strange. I thought I had too much dome in it, but I don't have enough. Yeah, to me, the roof line looks good like this. I can't imagine it being any more round in the middle. If I get something on here. So my buddy Todd, who really didn't get into this project until the very end, came over to take a look at it. And what he said was, we could get this one to work, but it would take so much time, it might be better just to go find another roof. Wow, look at this. So come with me next time when I travel 350 miles to find a roof that might just fill that request. So until next time, thanks for watching.